Presenting the Ford 2016 Super Duty F-350 SRW Lariat. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are voice-activated navigation, fifth-wheel gooseneck prep package, chrome package, FX4 off-road package, Lariat Ultimate package, order code 618A, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM and CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.